barn, and we want to check on the animals and see how they're doing. I can still hear the rooster, so it must still be alive. So I barricaded them in because we don't have really great doors on there right now. Something that's a work in progress. Just added a quick tarp onto the door to help keep the draft down in there. But we got one part for the ducks and one part for the chickens. We got a heat of land for the ducks and a heat of land for the chickens.
Oh, slippery. Slippery.